Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategies and scanners and screeners. And this video, I'm not going to create any scanner. Instead of that, so we have a new feature which is added into the Chartink Scanners Creation. So that I'm going to discuss about this video and how we can effectively use that scanner creation. That's a AI based, I think, so which was introduced in Charting recently, and how we can create a scanners based on that AI, and how we can effectively do that. So it will be helping you to the beginners. So those who are planning to create a charting scanners and screeners. So that will be another support from charting. So you will be easily can able to create a scanners and create a conditions, and finally you can merge and you can create your own scanners also. So that I'm going to discuss here in this video, and thanks for those who are subscribing my channel. So so we are starting our own brand company, so Logi Fintechs, for doing the mutual fund. So now we are a mutual fund distributor and AMFI registered one. So if you have any queries regarding mutual funds and investments, and I'm also individually doing the PMS distribution, portfolio management services, and also I just registered for that. And if you have any queries or any idea about PMS and mutual funds, you also contact the same number here. And that new launch which is going to be happen by this coming Friday by the online. So anyone who want to start an SIP or a lump sum, so you also just ping me on the message on the WhatsApp number which shown here in this video itself. So let me try on this video. So what we are started for this video, so create a scanners. So you'll be seeing there is a magic filters. By using a magic filter, how we can create effective conditions. So you need to select what kind of category. So normally we can do for a future options category, and let me try to create this one. Any basic scanners or any other basics lines which you want, you can create. For example, here it is mentioning the stock scan the using simple language like a stock up by 4% and rising volume. Okay, so I'm just started with a simple, and you can also add more conditions here. For an example, uh, like just open equal to low stocks, open low stocks. Like if you are mentioning here, uh, it will be filtered. This is a magic filter which recently added, and you can generate this open low stocks, and you can see in the bottom the conditions are mentioned here. So this is what another good features in charting were introduced for new people. So who are using a charting, they can create an easy way to get the scanners. So for example, open equal to low, then we will finding out the stocks, run the scan, and you will be see this much of stocks today forming open low. Okay, so simple logic which we can add it, and so we can add a rising volume. So let me have some logic. Rising volume, so you have to replace or you can add it. So if I'm adding if I'm abundant, so it will be added here in the scanner itself, already open low and rising volume, but you need this you want to know the conditions of this. So it is showing you the rising volume, and it was adding this line. So it is taking you minimum 6 days the volume, and divided by 1 day volume equal to 100. So if you are taking, there is no stocks. So why it is no stocks? Maybe it will be taking open low along with that. Instead of that, if you are looking at this rising volume conditions alone, so but I didn't get any future stocks. Instead of equity, cash, you can check this. So BGR energy. So let me check how it is rising volume. Instead of that, we will go with this. That will be giving you ads. So that's why I am not using trading view. So let me remove and hide our conditions. We add. So, okay, so hiding our conditions, and 1 day BGR energy. So let me add a volume. I'm adding. So you can look at this is cleanly saying you rising volume and how many days. That is comparing almost -1, almost 5 days rising volume. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And even this comparing 6 days rising volume, that would be easily filtered out with the scanner. Okay, so if you have any other backtest result, if you save the scan, so you will be getting a backtest result, and I'm just saving as a test. I'm not going to use this. And previously we have some stocks like here, two stocks 9th December, Abon, Volt, Amp, Volt, Amp, rising volume. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because we used a -1 condition here, but you need to know what is the exact condition. But this is what created by the AI. So whatever the condition you have to add it here, you can add it here. So if you want to know the rising volume, so this would be the condition which we can add it here, and it is keep on rising. So you can look at this, the how I'm just calculating the rising volume comparatively higher, 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 higher. So this is called a rising volume. So I just added the word, and it was saying you the what would be the filter. And one more stock which you have seen is Aban, and this is also rising volume up to 9th December. It is keep on rising from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you understood how this rising volume, but you if you manually create, you didn't understand the language. But if you are asking for this, it will be easily tell you what are the things. For example, I'm just going for a technical gap up. So this is the word technical gap up. So it will be filter out and create a technical gap up stocks. Daily open greater than 1 day ago close, but it is not about the right one. So it may be giving you daily open, it may be greater than close into number high. So it must be technical should be 1 day ago high. So this much of stocks which forming a technical gap up. So if you have any future stocks, even it is also going to give you some the conditions. So for example, Indus Tower 512, Indus Tower 512, this is the day. So technical gap up, and after that it started moving down. So because after the open, it is forming a open high. So maybe it has started falling down. That would be a right one. So we have a strategies to how to trade with the technical gap up and gap down stocks. Okay, so something like that. So now I'm just going to create a simple scanner. Any ideas we can implement here, and open low stocks or any other different we can try. So stock above pivot R1, something like that. Stock open, whatever the condition you should type here, open above R1. If you are generating that, let us generate. Cannot generate request to filter. Please reach out our support. Pivot. I think pivot R1 is there in this default, or stock open above pivot point. That may be working. I think couldn't generate that. So let me check pivot condition. What is the name of the pivot? Pivot point R1. So pivot point stocks open pivot points. So some of the things also is not available. Pivot point R1. If it is possible, it's not generating. Okay, stock close above R1, close above pivot point R1. That's not working. So you have to try, and it was some basics only. I think, yeah, that is stocks close above. Open, high, low, close, divide by 3. Will this works? Yeah, I think this will work. Maybe stock wrote will be used 1 day ago. I think it is showing you SMA. So it is also having some misconditions, but you have to check one more time and whether it is right or wrong. So, but it is easy way where we can create based on this. Pivot is not working. Camarilla stock close above 1 day ago. Camarilla R4. Will this work? Yeah, I think one day go low, and this one it may work. So stock switch closed above the camera. Let me track R3. So you can see this will be adding here. Okay, one more line. So if you have to replace, it will be replace the lines. R1, it will be replaced. Okay, so replace means it is entirely changing that. If you want to add one by one, so you can add it. So that was working good. R1 Cambrilla works, but pivot did not work. So let me try for a CPR. Let us works. Yeah, that is also giving you some idea about the CPR. And let me try for pivot. Let us work. Pivot is not working. Some other condition is working. For an example, close above, one day ago, awesome oscillator. So these are all. Let me try. If it is works, you can also try. Maybe you have a lot of logic, so that is also not work. So some of this custom indicator is not working. So maybe whatever the default indicator which is available here, that was working good. So based on if you are following for a default indicator, so you can just creating with this magic filter that will be helping you to create your own scan. So for example, stock was trading at 30 days low. Stock trading 30 days low trading. Let us generate. Yeah, that was generating the stock which is trading 30 days low. These are all the normal condition, but it is helping you to find out if you are going for a instead of 30, 60, whatever the days, or if you want to change trading at highest level. So if I'm making highest, I want you to replace it. So if it is replaced, this condition will be removed and new condition will be added here. So it is generating now, the new condition will be added. So if you are appended, and it will be adding in the next line. So for example, but this is not a possible condition, both will not be happened, but this will fetch you the data. But if you are seeing that backtest result, no one will be kept. I think someone has came here 25th October, that may be a liquid ones. Let me check. KAMA, yeah, 25, what was the date? 25/10. This was a day because we are comparing the highest level for 30 days and lowest level for 30 days. So that was satisfying both the condition, but normally it is not satisfying. So like this, you can also create whatever the scanners which you are planning by using this magic filter, and it will be helping you to finding out some good opportunities for your scanners creations. And if you want to access my premium scanners which I have created earlier, and what are the scanners which I am going to create in future, that you can access in my premium telegram groups. So if you want to know more details about my premium telegram group, you just join on, get more details about the group, and first you just WhatsApp me to get more detail, and if you're interested you can join on that. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Even more thing which you can play with this, and let me take a stock which is up by 4% and rising volume. So maybe that also rising volume intraday stock up by 4% rising volume intraday. Intraday 5 minutes. Will this create? Yes, let us create, and I'm just hiding this because this is a old one. So even instead of hiding that, I just removing this. And if you're adding this any only one stock that was happening on 9th December, Syncom 5 minutes, 9th December, and what would be the time frame? 9:15 compared to the previous volumes it's showing you. But intraday you should track on the live market. So instead of 4%, we will go for a 2%. Okay, so maybe some stocks will be there here. And today 145, 10th December. So CUB, and maybe this around 145. So, but it is a not liquid one. So, if you want to add a liquidity factor also, you can add it. Thank you so much. I don't want to make your more time. So, you can like this, you can magic filters which you can use in creating the scanners. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.